this is Dream from Where the Yocals Grow, and in today's video, we're finally going to be transplanting some of our tomato seedlings we started back in January. Today, we're going to be transplanting our Ace 55 tomatoes and our San Marzano tomatoes. If you all are new here, welcome. If you're returning, I'm so glad to see you again. Let's get growing. I had to switch tripods. My other tripod broke, so I had to go get the smaller one. So I'm going to do my best to record this for you. So the first thing you need to know about transplanting any seedlings is you need to wait until they get their second leaves. When they first come up, these are their first leaves, and then these are their second leaves. And that's when you know they're ready to transplant. So we're going to transplant these into individual pots. Don't panic too much if this is your first time doing it. If you're not comfortable doing it this way, you definitely could, when you take this out, you can put it in a cup of water and soak it, and that'll help the water the water will help the soil get away from the roots a little easier, so it's easier to manage and pull them up. But I'm going to show you the way I do it, which is the way most of us, I think it's the way most of us do it. So I'm going to bend the camera down just a little bit, and everybody bear with me. Okay, so I have just a solo cup, and I've put holes in the bottom of the solo cup. I just melted them in with a hot iron, filled it up with soil. Okay, the soil that I'm using is the Oceans of Maine's tomato and vegetable soil, specifically made for tomatoes and vegetables. So here we go, we're going to do it really quick, okay? So the first thing I want you to do once you fill up your cup, and before you pull your plants out, I want you to make a good size, I don't know if you can see that very good, a good size hole in the center. Now we're going to take this plant, I want you to put your hands just like this, turn it over gently, and it's going to come right out. See? Easy peasy. Hold it just like that. If you look close, you can see all the roots coming out. Slowly turn it over, and when I plant my seeds, I plant them 4 in each corner, so it's easier to transplant them. You're just going to grab the soil, hold on to it, and gently, slowly pull them apart. See, there's one. Then gently pull the other 2 apart. Look how easy they come apart. And there's 2. It's that easy. Then I want you to just kind of hold in your hands, let some of the soil come off, because you don't need all that soil. You're going to take it, see your little plant? See if I can back up a little bit. We're going to put it right there in that hole. Push it down and pull the soil around it. Kind of push it down. And there you go. There's your transplanted plant. And I don't want you to worry about if you have to put it in there, if you put it in deeper, because I don't know if you can see those tiny fine little hairs right there. Those, when you put it deeper into the soil, those actually become roots in the pot that they go into, and that will actually make your roots stronger when you go to transplant them into your gardens or your larger containers. Or you can transplant it into the container you want it to stay in right now. Lift this back up. So if you all found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, because we're going to be making lots of videos. We are in the throes of the 2022 garden season. And I look forward to thanks for hanging out with me, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Till then, don't stop growing. Bye.